Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael. So in this particular video I'm dropping today, I will be showing you guys my recent project. So I just finished working on this particular website. So actually the reason behind this particular site, or let me say the motivation behind it, is that I recently got scammed online when I was trying to purchase some tools, So I decided to create this type of website so that I was able to enlighten my subscribers on how to protect themselves in case they come across this website. So that's why I decided to develop this website. Okay, so what this website does basically is that they specialize in let's say tools, okay, like dark web tools. So it's a website where you're able to purchase like tools like let's say accounts, bank logs, scam pages, let's say paper accounts. We have what is it again? We have Cash App accounts, email lead, SMTP, RODP, and so on and so forth. So that's what this website does. So I was trying to purchase email leads online. So I came across this particular website and I decided to try them out. Unfortunately, I ended up being scammed. So I decided to create this similar website. So here we are today. So I will be reviewing this website. This website has both user dashboard and admin dashboard. So I'll be showing you exactly how this website works. So both the admin dashboard and the user dashboard. So this particular website, they don't normally have front page, all right, like a front page that would describe exactly what the website does and so on and so forth. So once you click on the link, it will take you direct to the account registration and then or the login page. So as you can see on your screen right now, so that's where it will take you to direct. So all you need to do is to either create an account, then you're able to access the website and all the information they have on it. Okay, so now I'll have to log in as a user because I've already created an account. So I will click on login. All right, so it says success, you will be redirected shortly. Okay, so guys, this is the user dashboard. This is how you will see the website once you log in as a user. So as you can see, it's a welcome hacker log. So this is the username. So from the user dashboard, as you can see, we have the balance, then we have the orders, then we have the report, we have the ticket. So we have the website email. So this is the website email. Then we have the Telegram. So we have a few information about the website. Welcome to Dark Web Tools Shop. Please read carefully our terms and conditions, especially the store rules. Please read below before funding your account. All right, so we have the account funding. So before you can purchase any of our tools, your account must be funded. Okay, so your account must be funded. So it says first funding is $100. So that's the minimum funding. Then we have a second time you can fund any amount from $10. So they have their policy, refund policy. Then we have their store rules, and then we have okay, please beware of scammer recently, blah blah blah. Okay, so that's just to make the website look real. All right, so then we have become a seller. So in this particular website, let's say hackers can come over also to sell their tools. Okay, they can just apply to become a seller on this particular website. Then we have available payment method. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Bitcoin Cash. So those are the available payment method. So that's for the dashboard here. So we have on our let's say on the left hand side of our screen the we have the menu. All right, so this is where you're able to see all the available logs that they have on this particular website. So we have the dashboard, my profile, we have bank log, we have card, we have cash app log, we have accounts. Okay, so under account you can see Facebook account, LinkedIn, POF, Match account, Instagram account. Then we have spamming. All right, we have SMTP, PHP mailer, RODP, cPanel. Then we have email leads. Okay, we have CFO leads, we have bank lead, we have consumer leads, professional leads. All right, then we have scam pages. Okay, bank scam pages, email scam pages. Okay, let me go back to this. I think I skipped this particular bank log. Then we have a bank log. Under bank logs, we have a Chase bank log, BOA log, SunTrust, TD bank log, USA, Wells Fargo bank log, HSBC bank log, ROBC bank log, BMO log, Toronto Dominion log, so and so on and so forth. So you see the available bank logs they have here. Then under the cards, they have we have a Visa card, MasterCard, American Express. Okay. Then under the cash log, we have the Cash App account, paper account, shop with script, Zelle, and then under the account, okay, then we have the Facebook, Instagram. So that's the stuff that you're able to shop on this particular account. Let's say, for example, we want to shop for Chase bank logs. So all we need to do is to click on this particular section. Okay, so those are the available Chase bank log. So you can see them. You can see the log name, the description, the include, the balance, then the price. Okay, then the status. Then we have the buy now. So okay, let's go further to explain this particular section. We see log name, Chase bank logs. Okay, description, Chase service account. Then include online access, email access, security question and answers, SSN, card information, address. We have a support pin. Okay, so this is the available balance on this particular account. Okay, then this is the price. So this particular bank log here goes for 135 USD. So in case anybody visit this particular website, you want to purchase any of the log here, so all you need to do is to click on purchase. So once the client click on purchase, so it will be directed to this particular section as a select a deposit gateway. All right, so the client have to make deposit first before you're able to purchase any tools from this website. All right, so that's for that. So for the client to deposit right now, you have to click on, okay, this is for Ethereum, then this BTC, then we have a bank. All right, so you can add as many payment method as possible. So you can add payment method from the admin dashboard of the website. All right, so let's click on another log again. So you can click on any of them here. Let's say you can click on BOA, you can click on SunTrust, you can click, okay, so you will see all the available logs once you click on it. So but before we go into the deposits, before we make deposits, let's go further and check other logs out. Okay, so we have checked out this particular Chase bank log. So let's go over here and check the Wells Fargo bank log. All right, so this is the Wells Fargo bank logs. So you see log name, description, include, balance, then we have the price. So this is the balance on the account that the user wants to purchase. Then this is the price, $135. So they have a different Wells Fargo bank log here that the clients can decide to buy. All right, so we have the HSBC and so on and so forth. Then we have the cards. All right, so under the card we have MasterCard, Visa card, and American card. Let's say we want to purchase MasterCard. So this the information. We have the card type, card bin, then include, then we have the country, then we have the price. All right, so that's that. So the user can decide to click on purchase now, and it will be directed to the there is a payment gateway. All right, so that's for that. Then we have cash log. So let's say we have a user want to purchase Cash App and account, so you need to click on Cash App account. So we see over here, say valid Cash App. Okay, Cash App is BTC enable, bank and a card linked 2023 updates. All right, so this we have the logged in. Okay, on this particular one, we have the vendor, which is the seller. Then we have the include, we have the email access, direct login, we have the cookies, gender, and so on and so forth. So this is the balance. Okay, so this is the balance on the card. Then we have the price, which is $4,000. Then we have the status. Then you can click on buy now. So you can do the same thing for the email leads, and you have the CFO. So you can click on a bank lead here and say the user wants to purchase bank lead. So click on bank lead, so you're able to see the lead name, the quantity, the price, and the amount. All right. So the next, okay, let's try and fund our account now. Let's try and make purchase. Then we'll go over to the admin dashboard and approve the funding. So let's say we want to purchase Cash App account. Okay, so as you can see here, Cash App account is $4,000. So we have to click on purchase. All right, so let's say we are making our deposit through BTC. So select BTC. Then I'll come over here and type 4,000. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the, as you can see here, we have a please make deposit to the following account below. Okay, we have payment gateway name, Bitcoin. So this is the Bitcoin address you are to make payment to. So all the user needs to do is to copy the Bitcoin address, then send payment. So once the user have sent the payment, so we come over here and type the amount paid, then the reference. Okay, let's see, and the payment reference. Then you have to attach a screenshot. Okay, the payment screenshot. So let me just choose this as my payment screenshot. Then the user will click on top up now. Okay, so the website will notify you saying your deposit is under review, which means the admin need to approve this particular deposit before the fund will appear on your account dashboard. All right, so as you can see over here, this particular deposit, which is, oh sorry, I type 40,000 instead of 4,000. Okay, so which is $40,000 is the status is currently pending. All right, so if you go to the dashboard now, you see this particular section will be showing 00. All right, so for the user, for this particular deposit to appear on this account right now, the admin need to approve the deposit. Okay, so to do that now, I have to go over to my second browser and log in as the admin. All right, so I will log in as the admin here. Okay, so I will type the admin email and the admin password, then I will click on login. Okay, so once I click on login like this, so this is the admin dashboard. This is how the admin dashboard looks. So the next thing I will need to do now to approve this particular deposit, so I will have to click on payments. All right, so I will click on under payments, I will click on deposit. Okay, so I'll click on deposit. So this is the amount, which is $40,000, which we deposited from the user account. So we need to approve it here. So I'll click on details. Then okay, so this is the let's say the payment proof, the screenshot that I selected. So I will just click on approve. Okay, so that's if you have received that particular deposit, so you click on approve. But if you didn't receive, you click on decline. So I will approve this deposit. Now you say, are you sure you want to approve this deposit? I will say yes. Okay, so as you can see now, the status have changed from pending to approve. Okay, so if I want to, so the next thing that I will need to do now is to go back to the user dashboard and refresh this particular page. So let's refresh. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, $40,000 is showing on this particular account right now. So the funny part of this particular website is that after you have deposited this particular amount of money on your account, and then hopefully you decided to purchase another tools. Let's say you go back now, you want to purchase the Cash App account. So let's say you want to purchase Cash App account. Okay, so if you click on purchase again, so this website will still take you back to the deposit gateway. All right, so that's how the website work. After they have already collected your money, you will not be able to purchase any of their tools, all right, because they are all scam, so it's not there. So that's how this particular website work. So just want to share this particular update with you guys. So this is a kind of website that a lot of people online are using to make money. They are using it to cash out, because a lot of people are looking for those particular tools that you are seeing here. Okay, a lot of people are looking for bank logs, a lot of people are looking for cards, a lot of people are looking for Cash App account, paper account, shop with script, Zelle account. Okay, a lot of people are looking for those accounts. So a lot of people are looking for Facebook account to buy, LinkedIn account, POF. So a lot of people are looking for those stuff you are seeing, SMTP, PHP mailer, RODP. A lot of people are looking for those stuff, the email lead, CFO lead, bank. So a lot of people are looking for those stuff. So all you need to do is that if you own this particular website, so this particular website is a bomb. So nobody will tell you about this particular update, all right? So I'm just sharing it with you guys so that you will know what's going on, man. So that's it. So in case you need this particular website, so you can as well reach out to me. I'm able to build the site for you. Okay, as I said earlier, you can add the payment method. Let's say the payment gateway. You can add it from the admin dashboard. So let's say under payments, you go to method. Okay, so you go to method and you click on add new. So you're able to select whether it's crypto or bank. Okay, let's say crypto. Let's say, or you have to put the crypto name, the crypto abbreviation, then your crypto address. All right, so then you click on add method. So that's how simple it is for you to add payment method on this particular website. And another good thing is that you're able to see all the users. So you're able to see all the registered users on this particular account. So you see their email address. So that's that. You can fund their account manually also. All right, so let's say this particular user now, this account, so I want to fund the account manually. So I can go over to manage. All right, so under manage, so as you can see, this user is currently having $40,000. Okay, so let's see, I want to increase it to 45. So I just need to type it here, then I'll click on save changes. Okay, so and secondly, I can decide to block a particular user. So we can decide to block a particular user. So let's go over to the user account now and refresh the page. Let's see how much it's showing. Okay, so as you can see, the balance is now 45,000. All right, so that's how this particular session work. So that's it, guys. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you need any help concerning any particular website, you can always reach out to me, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much as you do that. See you next time.